Hello, Sparky, SparkyUonline.com. How you guys doing today? Wanted to show you a service change that I did recently, and this being the old service. As you can tell, there's a few things coming in from the top, quite a bit of stuff coming in from the bottom. This actually goes down and feeds another panel. You'll see that here in the next photo. But a lot of this stuff had to be completely refed. This is a three-phase panel. It's old Zinsco style there, and in the next photo here it just drops down and feeds into this panel. This one's a little bit newer, it's ITE or Bryant, something like that. And there's the inside of that panel. There's the Zinsco style. So there's only one air conditioner on this whole house, and it is three-phase. And some houses here in the Phoenix area do have three-phase in them, but this particular one has definitely served its purpose over the years. And there's the inside view of it. You can see it's getting pretty beat up there over the years. This stuff has all been added in. There's the three-phase air conditioner up there. This was going down to the Subpanel. Then you got your stuff like range and oven and cooktop, the other single phase air conditioner. But you can see right here on this three-phase breaker, what they did was they came in right off the meter, and it comes in and goes up through the back and goes right to that breaker. So there really is no means of disconnect if you needed to change that breaker out. To get one of those breakers, you might be able to find one, but you know, most likely you run into something like this, it's just time to change it out, and that just kind of goes without saying. This is the sub panel, and you can see that they just had extended all their branch circuits on down. Luckily they had at least enough knowledge to go ahead and isolate the neutrals and the grounds. That was kind of nice. We got some empty wires in there. And this one here, we've got Romexes just coming through the top, and you can tell all they did was they just stripped off the Romex and brought it down. A little bit of corrosion going on in here. You can see here where they've taken the number 4, which I believe was the water bond, and they had to split it and the strands in order to get it in underneath the lugs. So just a close-up view here of the junk. There's that wild leg there. Photo of stuff coming out through the top there. Stuff I have to refeed. This is my layout. This is where the new panel is going to be. And then my J-box, it'll actually be a little bit higher than that. It's an old low voltage control panel, which is not going to be used. We're just going to tear that out. So there I am, the day of changing it out, and we did get this changed out in a day. I brought in some help, and we started like 7 o'clock in the morning and had the power back on to the customer by 1:30 in the afternoon, I believe. And just another photo here showing you all the way I do all my marking and everything, so I kind of got an idea of where everything goes back together. And then the old three-phase meter socket there, a little bit of corrosion going on there. There's that wild leg coming through. Looks like they sprayed a little red paint on there to make sure you knew what it was. A little white on that one to make sure you knew that was the neutral. And another shot just of crap you got to deal with changing these things out. Looks like a little bit of a rat's nest there. There's actually 2 1.5" chase nipples coming through the back where all the branch circuits are coming out of. And there I've got the main section is all taken off there. And there's the new panels. So this is a new 3-phase all-in-one, and this is only a 30 space on the inside of this here. So it's got the main, and then it's got the 30 spaces, but I can only use the A and C phase because the B phase is designated for the wild leg. So we had to go ahead and still, well, this one right here is the feed to the smaller sub panel, and then this here we branched off and brought most of the single phase circuits in here, and then the 2-pole stove oven, second air conditioner, and the 3-phase air conditioner, that sort of thing, was all went in there. So then we went ahead and piped up and put in a new conduit and box and wiring, same thing up in here. Had to move this over because of the layout. That's where the old mast was. That's where the new mast goes up through right there. So that's it. So I'll go back here to this one. Like I said, we started that at 7 o'clock in the morning and had power back up and running by about 1:30, maybe 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Another one of those 115-degree days. Man, it was brutal. So thanks for watching. SparkySparkyUOnline.com. Have a great day.